The 14th Dalai Lama, a life of compassion. He was born as Lhamo Thondup in a small village in northeastern Tibet in 1935. At the age of 2, he was recognized as the 14th Dalai Lama, the spiritual leader of Tibet. Trained as a monk from a young age, he studied philosophy, logic, meditation, and ethics. At just 15 years old, he assumed political responsibility during a time of great uncertainty for Tibet. In 1959, following the Chinese occupation of Tibet, he fled into exile in India. He built a life in exile, never losing hope for his people. Through struggle, he chose compassion.
Our negative emotion is, I think, so powerful. So in order to challenge that, we need, I think, the constant effort. Through that way, yes, definitely we can change.
Known for his teachings on compassion, mindfulness, and nonviolence, His Holiness has touched millions around the world. He encourages us to cultivate inner peace and see all beings as part of one human family. In 1989, he received the Nobel Peace Prize for his peaceful approach to resolving the Tibetan conflict. Even in exile, he remains a symbol of hope, resilience, and wisdom. For 90 years, His Holiness has dedicated his life to promoting kindness, religious harmony, and human values. His words have touched hearts in every corner of the globe. Happy 90th birthday, Your Holiness. May your wisdom continue to illuminate our hearts. May your compassion inspire generations to come. Long live His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama.